Lately, there have been some news articles about home sellers canceling their listings rather than reducing their price. They'd rather cancel and take their house off the market than settle for less than, I guess, what they are asking for. I wanted to see if this is true for the Reseda area, so I looked up houses or cancellations, I should say, in the Reseda area, comparing this first half of 2025 with previous years, and to see and to compare what that difference is. So here I went back to 2018. I did it by 6-month increments or 6-month intervals, first half of the year and second half. And here is a chart showing basically what the numbers are. So I also include withdrawn, and as you can see, there was only 2 that withdrew in 2024 in the first half, but 6 that withdrew first half of this year, but none before that. So that is pretty interesting. And withdrawal means basically the home seller is probably gonna change their mind about canceling, and so they withdrew the house from the market. It could be that they want to do something to make the house more appealing, perhaps change the marketing, and so they withdrew it for a while. But most of the time it's because they want to cancel the listing or they change their mind about selling the house. But in any case, cancellation is what we're going to look at. The blue part of the graph are the canceled numbers, and the orange or yellow is the total number. And this might be a little confusing, so we'll just look at the blue part. And as you can see, 2018, 2019, they go up and down. And then once COVID hit in 2020, the numbers are pretty low compared to 2018, 2019. And it continued on a lower trend until second half of 2022, but then went back down again 2023, 2024, and in the second half of 2024, it's gone up. And it's about at that same rate 2025 first half. So it does look like there are more cancellations because sellers are not getting what they want in terms of asking price, perhaps. Most of the time, and what I'm seeing right now with a lot of listings are the prices are continuing to go up. Of course, if you want to sell your house, you want to get the most money possible. And so you want to explore the upper limits of what you can receive, what a buyer is willing to pay. And it may be that those news articles are true. Buyers are not quite feeling it, and interest rates have gone up since the lowest points in COVID, during the COVID time. And, buyers, also the economy, is kind of unstable right now, and that may be part of what may be causing hesitation with buyers. I mean, there is more inventory on the market. It's not quite a buyer's market, but things are softening from a strong seller's market that we were in for many years throughout the COVID time. So we'll have to see if this continues, but right now it does look like there are more cancellations. Is it because sellers are not getting what they're asking for? Perhaps, but in any case, there is an increase in cancellations even here in Reseda. If this was helpful to you, click the like button and share with a friend who might be interested in selling their house, or they are selling their house and they're not quite getting the offers that they're looking for.